How to turn off comments on Facebook post. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen and then simply scroll down to tap on any of the posts that you'd want to turn off the comments for. So I'm going to tap on the three dotted lines of the particular post and simply select on the option of edit privacy. As you do that, you can simply select your audience over here. Now you can select on custom or specific friends or only me over here. So when you tap on only me, you get to choose the audience as only yourself. Now when you tap on the three dotted lines and select on edit post, we get to edit only the post that we have chosen. You can simply select whichever option, but that generally don't give us the option to turn off the comments on Facebook post. So you can simply tap on edit privacy and simply select on your own self, and you'll be able to decide who should see the other details like description, likes or comments as well. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.